Hello, I'm busy right
Want
now.
to set a custom voicemail greeting on your iPhone? Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll and look for the option Phone. Click on it. Here, you'll find the Live Voicemail option. Turn on the toggle next to Live Voicemail. Go back to your home screen. Open the Phone app. In the top right corner, tap on Filters icon. Tap on the Voicemail option. If the voicemail option is not visible, then tap on the Calls tab. Make sure Classic is selected. Now you should see the Voicemail tab appear at the bottom. Inside the Voicemail tab, tap on Greeting at the top. You will see two options, Default and Custom. Select Default, and your iPhone will use the system-generated voicemail message. Next, tap Custom. Then click Record. Speak your personalized message clearly.
Hello, I'm busy right now. Please leave a message and I'll call you back.
Stop when finished. Once you are okay, click on the check mark to save. Now, when someone calls you and you miss the call, they will hear
Hello,
your
I'm
custom
busy right
voicemail
now.
greeting.
Please leave a message and I'll call you back.
And that's it.